Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Mom's Hustle. I just wanted to make a quick little video because I got my top wisdom teeth out yesterday, which I have gotten my bottoms out like last year, but then I went back and got the tops out because my mouth isn't that big and it was just causing me issues, so I just went ahead and I got them out. Every time I've gone to get my wisdom teeth out, everyone tells me that my face never is swollen and they can't tell I got my wisdom teeth out. And I just want to show like a little secret as to why, like what do I do after I get my wisdom teeth out, and you can do this on kids as well. So all your moms out there that have kids are getting their wisdom teeth out, this is something that you can do for them, and it's cheap. My doctors did prescribe me an antibiotic and ibuprofen. But other than that, my big thing is Arnica. So everything is just Arnica. I bought this pain relief, muscle pain and stiffness, swelling from injuries and bruising, Arnicare Gel, Homeopathic Medicine. Quickly absorbed, non-greasy, unscented, paraben-free, works naturally with your body. So I just take this, comes in a little thing like this, and it's unscented. It's the gel. I prefer the gel because my coworker told me that it soaks up in faster. So I just apply this. Oops. I just take a little bit of the gel and apply it to like my mouth or around where you got your teeth out. But you can also you can use this for a lot of different like if you're working out or you get injured, like it doesn't have to be just for your because of your wisdom teeth. But this is why I'm using it. It's great for any kind of bruises or muscle pain or swelling. So I take the Arnica Gel and I put that on my face where the swelling is going to be. And then also I get the Arnica. It's called Arnica Montana, but I got the pellets. 6C is the strongest. And again, you can use this with kids. It says for the directions to dissolve 5 pellets under the tongue 3 times a day until symptoms are relieved or as directed by a physician. And so I got this at my job at Whole Foods, and it was on sale for, the gel was like for $6 or something, and then I got the pellets, and these are also like $6 or $7. But so, I mean, altogether it's like at least $15 for both of these. But you can get really good deals online on Amazon and things like that too, or in any local health food store. So I use these, and normally with the pellets, you want to start taking the pellets like a couple days before your surgery and then continue to take it until it's gone. But this, for the second time around when I got my wisdom teeth, I did not. And when I got out of the dentist, of course, like my face was really swollen. And then I went to my job and I picked up the gel in this. And then within like 2 hours of using this, and it might not just be from the Arnica, it might have been, from just like healing, and after the procedure it swelled up and went back down. But I can tell you, like, the Arnica really does work. It's a great homeopathic. It's great for adults and children. And so I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. I'm gonna have a link down in the description below, an Amazon link that you can get a pretty good deal on the gel and the pellets. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys, and I hope everyone has a great day. See ya!